Watermelon is a delicious fruit that also happens to be packed with anti-aging antioxidants and essential nutrients. Any person regardless of age or health status can enjoy this delicious fruit. Watermelon, like other fruits and vegetables, can cause health concerns if eaten in large quantities. According to research, I will educate you on some of the side effects of eating watermelon on a regular basis. 1. A skin discoloration that appears yellow. It's a form of carotenemia when the skin turns yellow from eating too many carrots, but this time it's caused by an excess of lycopene in the blood. As a result, excessive lycopene in the blood may occur if you are the type of person who often consumes watermelon. 2. Higher blood sugar is a common symptom of diabetes. There are some fruits that diabetics should limit their intake of, and watermelon is one of them. While it is true that it includes several essential nutrients and vitamins, it is also true that it is on the list of fruits with a high glycemic index of roughly 72 and above, which makes it slightly undesirable for persons with diabetes according to studies. 3. Its high FODMAP content may produce gastrointestinal symptoms such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. When consumed in large quantities, the FODMAPs found in watermelon can lead to gastrointestinal distress according to studies.